First up, 933 positive cases of coronavirus have been reported in Afghanistan. 30 people have lost their lives. Afghanistan is witnessing a serious lack of infrastructure and isolation centers to deal with the pandemic. The government has now converted the Darul Aman Palace into a facility which can be used to tackle the outbreak. 200 beds have been placed in the facility and medical staff has been deployed at the military-style building. Health officials say that the coronavirus has not yet witnessed its peak. Authorities are providing 20,000 additional beds should the situation get worse. The palace, which is now being used for medical purposes, once served as the country's defense ministry headquarters. After several decades of war, the building was in a state of ruin. After reconstruction and renovation, the building was used as an administrative block. In Afghanistan, COVID-19 mortality rate is 3.2%. The Health Ministry of Afghanistan has confirmed that the cases are being underreported and the country is now not equipped to contain the outbreak. Several international organizations have come forward and made donations to Afghanistan. Still, low rate of testing during the outbreak remains a matter of concern. Our Kabul correspondent Mustafa Kazemi sent us this report from Darul Aman Palace, which is now under quarantine.
Built in the 1920s by Afghanistan's King Amanullah, Darul Aman Palace here once used to serve as Afghanistan's Ministry of Defense headquarters. But after several decades of civil war in Afghanistan, this building was ruined and completely left destroyed. The new government, however, repaired and reconstructed this landmark site of Afghanistan and was given to be one of the major administrative buildings. But in the wake of coronavirus outbreak, in the situation getting worse in Afghanistan with lack of health institutions, hospitals and clinics to house the COVID-19 and coronavirus patients, the health minister of Afghanistan today re-inaugurated this palace, which will serve as a 200-bed hospital for isolation of coronavirus patients in Kabul city. The Afghan capital city of Kabul faces lack of hospitals and institutions to house the coronavirus patients. And as the health minister says, they are trying to increase the number of these places. This is one of the examples. Once served as Ministry of Defense headquarters, now this is a 200-bed isolation center for coronavirus patients. Authorities confirmed 930 confirmed cases of coronavirus so far in Afghanistan, with 30 people having lost their lives to the pandemic. With 3.2% mortality rate with the coronavirus in Afghanistan, Kabul citizens, however, remain concerned with government's capability to test more people. Out of 32 million population of Afghanistan, just something small beyond 5,000 people have so far been tested for coronavirus in the country. This is Mustafa Kazemi for WION in Kabul. World is One.